Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphilayo. Mina nje ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenza okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphe ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba sikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke udaba okulethele lona namhlanje. Ithi-ke laphana-ke sekuvela ithemba-ke laphana kubalandeli be-MK laphana ngenkathi-ke uMK eveza ukuthi-ke lo mthetho lo owenza ukuthi-ke uJacob Zuma-ke angabi upresident lo ovezwe i-IEC laphana-ke uthi-ke lo mlisa-ke lowo mthetho lowo angeke ukwazi ukuthi-ke usebenze kuJacob Zuma. Kodwa-ke ngifuna ukuthi mina-ke wezwa ngamudlalela-ke ividiyo yalo mlisa-ke lona ezichazela yena-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke masizwile-ke le video-ke ungene ama-comment section-ke ufike ubhale cabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicinza nebhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le clip-ke awuyithokozele.
Well, it's not a matter of desperation. The people's will, as we've always said, shall prevail. It's the people that wanted President Zuma to lead this country, and we listen to the people. So it's not a membership or a leaders of MK having made that decision. So it's not a desperation act. It's just the reality of the situation on the ground by the downtrodden people. There's a number of factors that ought to be taken into consideration regarding our appeal, which I won't go into the legalities. However, there is obviously the issue of the remission, of which we know in terms of the act it refers to 12 months imprisonment without the option of a fine. In this case, by virtue of the remission, it means President Zuma would have served only 3 months, and that therefore his sentence is 3 months, which then in effect means that the 12 months does not apply in his case. And you may want to argue, but legal eagles will confirm that this was not a criminal case. This was, in effect, from where we're sitting, contempt of court, which is a civil matter, which is another key point to make. So I won't go into the details around Section 47 and so on and so forth, but they're quite clear in our appeal. Thank you so much.